Thomas Foods International Fresh Produce was established in the Food Hub, South Australia, 5.5 years ago. Our primary responsibility here is packing fresh washed potatoes.
So some of the customers that we do supply are retailers in Australia, so our Coles, our Woolworths, our Aldi. We have wholesale markets and also export markets, and so we try to branch our product all across the globe.
Just recently signed a direct supply contract with Emirates that was a big feather in our cap. We want people eating more potatoes, and to do that they've got to have a good experience. It starts right at this early seed generation, getting good quality seed into the ground, going good quality crops, arrive here at the production facility, grade it out, blemish free. We're wanting the perfect potato. Better job we do of that, and if that can encourage an increase in consumption, better quality potatoes on their plate at home, then the whole industry is winning, and that's what really success looks like for us. We just need to have the right tools and resources and technology in place to help us deliver that consistently on a daily basis. Tomra Compact's really the system of choice within our industry. Obviously we had questions from our board to say what comparisons have we done with other products out in the market. Did a quick review, did our own homework, and just kept coming back to the Tomra Compac offering. That decision was quite simple for us, then it was just a matter of making the right choice.
The technology we invested in was a 12-lane Spectrum IR grader. It's able to pick out and define individual defects. By teaching the software an individual defect, it can establish a database and pick out each defect one from another. Goals we're trying to achieve is to be more efficient in the factory and reduce labour, and once the machine was installed, we did reduce labour by almost half, and we increased production by 25 to 30%. We were doing 25 tonnes per hour beforehand, and now we are producing between 38 to 42 tonne an hour washed product through the line.
You know, the improvements we've seen in run time and shortening our production days on the same volumes, so it's brought a lot of benefits that it gives us the ability to grow the business into the future.
My favourite features are the Smart Skin and Smart Map. The Smart Skin allows us to define the smaller defects, whereas the Smart Map identifies all our defects through the whole line, and then we can grade according to specs from our customers and retailers. So it's really an advanced system that we can utilise in the best ways. The ability of the Spectrum grader to grade out our cut and slices. We have industry issues through the winter with these defects, and having the ability to remove these from the grading side is fantastic. Knowing that we can get the same product over and over again throughout each day of the year is very important.
Having the technology we have now will give us some more flexibility, even in terms of potentially how we're grading our waste. We're talking about even medical uses, working with companies like Swiss and inputs for them. I think people are now realising we need to be finding better values for waste, given some of the other industry pressures that we're all facing.
Food safety is paramount in our industry. Having the best and safest product going out to our consumers is very important, and we try to utilise the machine in that regard. Cleaning the machine with its added height and the structure of the machine is much easier for all our graders and our staff, and the hygiene levels have increased.
We just found Tomra Compac team really professional to deal with. It's been a real team effort. I think we've worked very well together, and we're all trying to get the same goal, which is optimise the performance of the system. And that's training our operators to leverage the technology and get the best result out of the system as well.
Without the Tomra Compac team, I think the business would be in a much different place. We really appreciate what the team is doing and the advancements and technology they are giving our industry, and the ability for us to progress with confidence into new markets. I would recommend Tomra Compac to all of my colleagues.
Tomra Compac is
a company that is trustworthy,
delivered on every word,
understands our individual needs, and works with us to achieve what we need.